Welcome to the Calsoft podcast series. This is your host Siddhi Tatia. Here we have Rishikesh Tanle with us with the topic iSCSI Protocol Conformance Test Suite.
Thank you, Siddhi.
It's great to have you here, Rishikesh.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to be here.
I'll briefly introduce Rishikesh. He is working as Senior Principal QA Engineer. He has more than 8 years of experience in software quality analysis. He has done file system feature testing in SAN and NAS storage technologies, and mainly he worked for product and services based enterprise companies.
Thank you, Siddhi. Hello, everyone. My name is Rishikesh Tanle. Today, I will talk little bit about SCSI, iSCSI as a technology and the iSCSI protocol test suite developed by Calsoft. We'll cover those points today, that SCSI, iSCSI introduction, then SCSI, iSCSI initiator and target, how to test the iSCSI protocol, test coverage and test plan strategies.
Great to know. Let's start with the first question. What is SCSI?
I will talk about the basic introduction of SCSI and iSCSI. So what is SCSI? The SCSI means small computer system interface. SCSI is set of standard for physically connecting and transferring data between computer and peripheral devices. Here SCSI standards define SCSI command, protocol, electrical and optical interface. SCSI mostly used for communication between computer and hard disk, tape drive, but it can connect a wide range of other devices. Since the standardization in 1986, it further developed and the versions are like SCSI, then fast SCSI, fast wide SCSI, ultra SCSI, and then latest one is ultra 640 SCSI.
Okay. Why to use SCSI?
Yeah. Why to use SCSI? The SCSI is high level, expandable and high performance interface. SCSI support multiple platforms like Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac, etc.
Okay.
Even SCSI is faster than ID and USB, which is commonly used. And SCSI support up to 16 devices, both internal and external.
Okay.
We'll discuss little bit about SCSI command protocol.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. In SCSI protocol, communication takes place between initiator and target.
Okay.
Initiator sends command to the target, which then respond. And SCSI command are sent in command descriptor block. It is a format. It also called CDB. CDB consists of 1 byte operation code followed by 5 or more byte containing command specific parameters. There are about 60 different SCSI commands. Some common ones are enquiry, send diagnostic, start unit, stop unit, read and write. And again, there are 4 different categories, like N for no data, W for writing data from initiator to target, R for reading data, and B for bidirectional.
Okay. Then what is iSCSI?
As we know, Internet Protocol, the technology is well understood and it is easy to implement and affordable. Here, Internet SCSI, that is iSCSI, transport traditional high-performance block-based storage data over a common IP network. It means it can be used in many applications like remote mirroring, remote backup, etc. Since an IP network has no distance limitation. The SCSI protocol encapsulates the SCSI command and assemble the data in packet format for TCP/IP layer. It also called the PDU, means packet data unit. Packets are then sent over the network using point-to-point connection, and upon arrival the protocol translates data back to SCSI format.
Can you please tell us what are the benefits of iSCSI?
Yeah, there are so many benefits, like it's low cost and alternative to FCSAN.
Okay.
Then the no distance limitation. Then it reuses the existing IP infrastructure, and as it uses the IP infrastructure, it is easy to administer and manage, and also it is scalable.
Okay.
Now we'll talk little bit about SCSI, iSCSI, Initiator and Target. As a traditional SCSI, an iSCSI storage solution require at least one initiator residing on application server and at least one target residing on the storage. We'll discuss about the initiator first. The initiator is a host server that need access to storage resources. These follow standard SCSI protocol where initiator issues command to storage devices and wait for replies. And SCSI initiator can access multiple targets simultaneously.
Okay, then what is the target?
Yeah, target is a device that provides storage resources for iSCSI initiator. These follow the same SCSI protocol for the target by responding to requests from initiator. Here target can respond to multiple iSCSI initiators simultaneously.
Okay.
So there is one more term that iSCSI qualified name, that is IQN. Here while communication happen between iSCSI initiator and target, it uses some unique identification, means unique ID, which called iSCSI qualified name, IQN. The IQN is the standard way to identify SCSI initiator and target in the network.
Okay.
Then another term is iSCSI session. Here the session are established between iSCSI initiator and iSCSI target. When the SCSI initiator perform a logon or connect with the target. For logon, it also use some protocol. Mostly widely used is CHAP protocol, that is challenge handshake authentication protocol.
Okay. So how would you test SCSI and iSCSI protocol?
Yeah. So there is some scenarios to test SCSI, iSCSI protocol. For example, iSCSI functional test, to test where an iSCSI task can be executed correctly. For example, task management function, NOP in, NOP out ping, multiple connection management. Then another is PDU format error. This is an error if W and F bit both are set to 0 in a SCSI command PDU. Then another one is PDU session error, header digest error, sequence error, negotiation error, data length error. In data length error, too much or too little data is sent to the target.
Okay.
And then last one is lost PDU, means drop an incoming PDU, then snacks for it, and drop an outgoing PDU, then retry it.
Okay, thanks. So what are the test coverages for iSCSI protocol suite?
So there are so many types like login phase conformance, full featured phase conformance, then CHAP conformance, multi-connection conformance, and error recovery conformance. So in login phase conformance, test negotiation key value pairs, test various flags like CSG, NSG, C bit, T bit. And in full feature phase conformance, test sequence number. For example, command SN, data SN, R2T SN. The test SCSI command response, task management function request, and text request, then NOP in, NOP out, and snack request.
Okay.
Then another one is CHAP conformance. In this CHAP conformance, test the fields CHAP A, CHAP C, CHAP I, CHAP N, and CHAP R. In multi-connection conformance, test multi-connection support in connection creation, termination, parameter negotiation, sequence number, and task management. And last one is error recovery conformance. So test initiator, target, error recovery support.
Okay, thank you Rishikesh. Can you please elaborate on test plan strategy?
Yeah, sure, Siddhi. So here, as we knew, the large number of TC from latest RFC, which is continuously updating, and again we have large number of SCSI features due to 13 years of continuous active development.
Okay.
So here the strategy is must have to avoid manual testing multiple times.
Okay.
Here, Calsoft come with solution on this and developed a tool SCSI protocol conformance test suite. So this test suite verifies the conformance of SCSI protocol only. It does not issue high workload and does not involve in performance benchmarking or stress testing of iSCSI target.
Okay, thank you Rishikesh. Can you please tell us little more about iSCSI test suite?
Yeah, sure Siddhi. But this will be covered in next podcast.
Okay, wonderful. We'll look out for that podcast. This ends our topic for today. Thank you Rishikesh.
Yeah, thank you Siddhi.
It was great to have you on the show.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Great to be here.
Thank you. For any feedback, you may write to us at marketing@calsoftinc.com. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.